My name is Angela Byrne from Prim-Ed Publishing. Prim-Ed Publishing provide communication resources that will help children to develop good communication skills that will give them confidence in speaking for life. Follow Me Loop photocopyables provide templates for card games, which provide a fun, interactive way for pupils to practice various literacy skills with a focus on the ability to recognise differences in phonemes. Using interactive game cards, pupils can work in small group or as a whole class to complete a chain of questions and answers. Each book addresses literacy skills, for instance rhyming words, word families, high frequency words, synonyms, multiple meaning words, antonyms, factor opinions, similes, proverbs and so much more. Each book contains simple to prepare activities with clear and concise answers in the back. The Follow Me Loop Mathematics series helps to develop listening skills and reinforce math skills. The skills addressed include understanding numbers, algebra, measurements, shape and space.